If you've been here for a while, you probably know that my channel has always been mostly geared towards drones. As a matter of fact, I've been Mike from Drone Supremacy ever since I started my channel in 2017, so almost 9 years now. Over the years, I have learned so much because of drones. I've learned everything about perspectives, movement, dynamics, emotion, storytelling, and that has been just fantastic for me. So they were really an eye-opener for me on what's possible in terms of filmmaking, but with a drone. So over the years, I've learned not only that, but I also learned a lot of things about making videos from the ground. So that expanded my horizons quite a bit, and I had the pleasure to learn a lot about things that I'm now super passionate about. Things like filmmaking, action sports, bikes, cars, pretty much all the things men like. And I'm such a big fan of those things that over the years I have started to feel like I'm putting myself in a box that I don't necessarily want to be in. I'm not saying drones are that box, but the content revolving around drones is a little bit limiting in some ways for me. I feel like sometimes I want to reach out for different possibilities that are not connected just to drones. They are still, of course, connected to making content, creating something nice and epic, cinematic, with a lot of dynamic in it, and that storytelling aspect that I'm super passionate about. So I don't want to be kind of feeling boxed in, you know? So that's the reason why I have decided to switch my channel name. From now on, I will not be Drone Supremacy. I'm going to just use my name as the brand. My name is Michail. It's a Bulgarian name, as you guys know. It's pronounced Michail. And you can, of course, still call me Mike. That's whatever you feel like, it's up to you. But that's my real name. I don't want to go by my alias anymore because I want to feel my identity. You know, it's who I am. And it's not necessarily the easiest name to pronounce, but it's you'll get used to it, I'm sure. So I just wanted to throw this out there that I'm making this personal change that, of course, is not going to affect the channel in any way. As a matter of fact, I'm going to expand and involve a lot more epic stuff happening on the channel. So I'm not going to feel like this should not be posted on my channel because this channel is all about drones. No. The channel is mostly about drones, but it's also about the things that I like doing that I don't want to limit myself to not do just because my channel is about drones. So if you're here because you like cinematic visuals, movement, and storytelling, then the good news is that nothing is going to change for you. Actually, things will be better. But if you're only here on this channel to hear about me reading out drone specs, then obviously this channel will not be the right one for you. From now on, this channel is all about cinematic filmmaking, using whichever tool makes the shot better. And sometimes that could be a drone, sometimes that could be an FPV drone, or a car, or a bike, or anything else. I really don't know. The point is, it will look great. So I'm not going to replace anything, I'm expanding the frame. And hopefully the work that I'll be posting on this channel will be some of the best that I've ever done. I'm so pumped and I cannot wait for the future. Thank you.